Wow, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Teddy. Today I'm going to take you through something so nice, something you need to know. Pray you don't just pass by this video. It won't leave you the same. We are going to go through Google Translate. Here you're going to know how easy and simple it is to learn. You can be able to learn all languages regardless. So please tune in, subscribe, don't forget to like, comment as we learn together. So in Google Translate, you simply come to your search menu. Here you type on Google. You're searching for Google Translate. You come and click on it. So this is it. So you've opened, of course you've searched. I'm assuming like you've opened your Google Translate. So you can see this. This is what your screen will display. Then you come to this small. You click on it. You can search for any language you wish. For me, let me do Kiswahili. I want to exchange it with maybe I want to know the meaning of some words in Kiswahili. For example, you're in Kenya, those places where they speak Kiswahili, or any other language. You see, there are so many languages here. You just have, if you've been in the place, you've never been there, you don't know even how to greet, the people don't know English, so you just make the best use of Google Translate. It will make it best for you. So for me, I'm going with Swahili, because assuming I'm in the place where they speak only Swahili. So I come and interchange. I want to translate English to Swahili. So you can either enter text, or you can speak from here. You can record your voice and it changes into writings. So I come here, I tell them maybe good morning. I want to say good morning. Yeah, good morning. You see, in Kiswahili, you see what it has brought? Habari sa asubuhi. I'm not good at Kiswahili, please don't quote me, but I hope we are learning here. So this is it about Google Translate. You can ask anything, you can ask it anything of your choice, and it can translate to you in the language that you'll be able to understand. For example, someone just tells you a word in a different language, you just come here, you check that word, you type in, and it will give you the exact meaning of the word in the language that you understand. So friends, it is the best thing ever to do. You will not regret, even if you fly elsewhere, anywhere. Learning this skill will help you so much. So come in a scenario you don't know how to type your pressure, your intention, and the only thing you have to do is maybe to record, to speak, so that it translates for you. So what you need to do, you just come here. You come here, you click on it, speak. You see, because I was talking to you guys while I had clicked on it, that's why it just brought that. But you can maybe say hello. You see, so it has brought us the the translation. It cannot be only Swahili, any language. I told you earlier on that there are so many languages. So many languages. You just have to love this, you just have to practice, and you will not get anything. You will not find yourself in the same position. All this, the world is getting computerized, and we are supposed to also increase in knowledge and technology. So these are so many languages, friends. You would love to get their meanings here. Like for example, you're in a place and you don't know the language, so you can portion a certain time of you can make a certain portion of your time just to learn the language. You just come to Google Translate, and that is it. So every day you're learning how they greet, and before long you have known the language perfectly without anybody teaching you. So that is the beauty of Google Translate. You can see the number of languages, so you can't miss to find yours here. So that is it, friends, about Google Translate. It's a good thing. Me personally, I love it. I use it everywhere I go. I practice it. It has never left me the same. I love it, and I don't have to stress myself asking for someone to translate for me. I simply use this. So that's why I'm sharing it, so that there could be someone outside there who might not be having this skill, and in this video you might be helped. So that is it about Google Translate. I love you all. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, so that you get access to these wonderful videos. So that is if you find it so interesting to you. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye.